Hi friends, my name is Mohit and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Support. Friends, today we will learn how we can install application server or web server IIS services on our Microsoft Windows Server 2019. So guys, let's start. First of all, we need to open the Server Manager dashboard. Here I am going to the Manage button, Add Roles and Feature. Click on the Next, on Next. Here we need to select Web Server IIS1, Add Feature. Click on the Next, Next. So here you can see there are lots of options are there. You can see that. So we need to select this thing as it is. Click on the Next and now click on the Install one. So guys, this installation is started. So once this installation will be completed, I will join you. So because it will take some time, so give me some time. Let me pause this video. Welcome back friends. Now we can see that installation is completed. Now I'm clicking on the close one. Now let me open the Internet Explorer. So here I'm going to the Internet Explorer one, or you can use any browser. So it's okay. Here I am typing the IP address of this server. So you can see that its default IIS web server page is open. So guys, now we can check the same thing on our client machine. Is it open or not? So guys, let me open the Microsoft Edge. Here I am typing the server IP address. Here you can see that our default web server page is also opening the client system. Now, if we want to deploy our application on this server, so what we will do, we will change the background page, and as we can suppose that we are deploying the application, our internal application on the application server. So guys, let's go in the server one and replace this picture. So now I am in the server page. So here I am going to the this PC. Here I already have the some code. So you can assume that here I'm just copying this thing and just replacing the old one, replace and put it the new one. Now what we do now, so after deploy the code and configuration done, we just need to refresh one. I'm refreshing the page. Now you can see that our home page is changed. Suppose our application is running. Now we will see the same thing on our client machine. So let's refresh and you can see that our tech support page is uploaded. So guys, whenever you are planning to install or any application server like your visitor management system or your SQL, any application which is database related, which is anything, so you have to install the IIS services on your server. Guys, I hope you understand my video. If you like my video, then share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.